In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Chromecast with mobile data. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily set up and use a Chromecast even if you are connected with mobile data. The process is essentially the same. So to start, connect the Chromecast to a TV or any other device. Once the Chromecast is connected, you should see the setup screen appear on that display. If the setup screen does not appear, then I recommend that you reset the Chromecast. So if you bought it used or you don't see the setup screen, just press the button at the side of the Chromecast for approximately 25 seconds. Doing so will prompt the device to be fully reset, which means that you can set it up as if it was brand new. So once the Chromecast has been reset, you can now download Google Home, so you should see a message telling you to download this app to finish setting up the Chromecast. Once you have Google Home, open the app and tap on the option to add a new device here. Once you select Add Device, you will now be able to choose Google Nest or Partner Device. So in the description, here you can already see Chromecast listed. So choose this option and then select Chromecast once again. What are you setting up? Once you choose the Chromecast, it will begin looking for the Chromecast. This should work if it was properly reset and you are on the mobile data network. And once you select it, just tap on the option to set up this Chromecast. If it prompts you to choose a network, then you can select the mobile data network that you are currently connected to, and it will be set up within Google Home. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.